Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I bring you guys another user requested live wallpaper and home screen setup, this time for Assassin Creed Odyssey. This is the 10th in the series on how to customize your home screen like a pro. A series where I show you how you can easily and quickly get these stunning minimalistic setups on your Android phones. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out the previous episodes. And following that format, I'm going to show you how you can take a basic home screen setup and turn it into something like this. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests or suggestions. So here it is, a live wallpaper inspired by the games themselves. I've made sure to include the anime style glitch effect, making this live wallpaper truly unique to our collection. This setup will be running Nova Launcher using KWGT widgets, and to complete the look, I'll be using the Hex installer for system-wide customization. The link for these and everything else that you're going to need are going to be in the description below. Now as a quick note, if you want that full screen edge to edge look for your home screen setup without those ugly signal bars, then make sure you disable the notification bar within Nova Launcher settings. So jumping right into it, the icon pack that we're using in this setup is the Flight Pack. This is going to add a nice artistic white skin to all of our most popular app icons. Now with this setup, I've chosen to place the home screen icons manually without the use of a dock. So if you want to do the same, you're going to have to hide your dock icons and shrink your icon sizes all within Nova's home screen settings. Just simply head in and play with the layout section here until you get to something that you like. And before we go any further, make sure you grab this stunning wallpaper from my very own custom creation app. Just simply head to the live video section and you'll find it there. Next up, let's talk about this bold KWGT widget. Indicating the date and time, I've gone with number 23 from the Hut Pack. With this widget, I've manually gone in and flipped the colors, switching it from white to black, making it stand out from that bright backdrop. Just make sure you make the color change for all of the elements of the widget. For a deeper guide on KWGT manipulation, make sure you check out my easy to follow tutorial. The link for this is going to be in the top right corner for you guys. And wrapping up this setup, we're using Hex installer. This is going to give you a nice AMOLED friendly black backdrop with gold and red hues across the whole system. Just use the color codes that I'm showing on screen. And alternatively, you can get a similar result using the app OneShade. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.